Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay, and this is the first video for 2024. So happy new year to everyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm using my Juvia Place Concealer in 16 and my one size setting powder to set it. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, y'all. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Mondays and a new video on Fridays. Now I'm going to use the AOA Studio Fairy Garden eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take those two shades and put them on my lids. Next, I'm using my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner. Now I'm using my Ioni Wispy Crisscross Dramatic Lashes and my House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I already moisturized. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For my foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in shade 425. Now for some more coverage, I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer, and I'm going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm, and I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use the top shade to contour my nose, go around my jawline. I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using a combination of my ABA setting powder and Deep Peach and my one size translucent setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to take that top shade and use that for my blush. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm just going to use a mixture of the two shades for my highlight. Next, I'm using my LA Girl Lumilicious Lip Gloss and my NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my makeup, I'm going to use my Cover FX setting spray. And that is it for the strawberry cream and cranberry eyeshadow look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This is the first makeup tutorial for 2024. I have a lot of great content for you all this year. I appreciate you all watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday, a new video on Friday. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles, so y'all can follow me on those. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves, y'all. Bye.